My name is Irene Diamond, and I am the founder and the director of Diamond Pain Relief and Wellness Center, San Francisco's very first wellness center. So we've put together a series of mini exercises. Each one will be individually demonstrated by my daughter, Grace. Thank you for Grace's help on this one. And each exercise, or what we call actions, because they're part of our active modulation therapy, the Diamond Method training, each action will either provide strength, mobility, stability, or flexibility. And if anything ever hurts, you want to modify or stop. And before you do any of these, of course, it's good to check it out with your healthcare provider to make sure it's an appropriate movement pattern for you. We're going to do a stretch for the hips now. You sit on any surface and you take one leg, cross it over, hold your ankle over your thigh. If you can't get here, then you need to elevate your position. The higher your seat is, the easier this position will be. The lower your seat is, the more intense. So if you have a seat that's adjustable like we do here, that's perfect because you can adjust it. Then what you do is you lean forward, keeping your back straight, and it should be a stretch, in this case for Grace's right hip. Grace, turn towards the front mirror there and just show the positioning. Leaning forward. What you don't want is to round your back. So this is what not to do because it reduces the stretch. Go ahead and sit up properly again. And you can see Grace's back is straight. And Grace, where do you feel the stretch? Perfect. That's exactly what we want. And you hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. And then, of course, you do your other leg as well. Any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll be sure to circle back and answer them. And I look forward to helping you be even more functional in your daily life, enjoy your movement, and hopefully more pain-free.